So hello and welcome to my channel. So we are going to have multiple videos of this particular chapter, and I am going to tell you what we are going to learn throughout these 3 to 4 videos. So here, if you can see, we will go through quick access toolbar first, which is nice to have. Then values in Excel, understanding what Excel understands. Then we'll go through cell referencing. This is pretty crucial. And then there is order of operation. This is also pretty crucial. So all these things are important, but in that also cell referencing and order of operation are bit crucial to understand. If you don't understand this, then you will find a difficulty doing calculations or applying formulas. So let's jump right into it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and hope you have gone through my previous video of Microsoft Excel introduction video. So in last video we understood about the interface of Microsoft Excel. Today also we are going to look at few things that would be helpful for you. One of them is quick access toolbar. So here at the top of ribbon you can see there are options. So this is called as quick access toolbar. This is not something that you will find only in Microsoft Excel, but it will be available in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint also. So Microsoft Excel have given us some handful of options like autosave and save. Along with these options, you can have your own options, whatever you want. You can customize this quick access toolbar by adding your own commands if you want. So currently I am using the latest version of Microsoft Excel where that drop down option is available here. But if you are using any older version of Microsoft Excel, then you will have one drop down arrow near to this save button or redo undo button. So what we'll do, so we'll click on this. There are some options are there, so we can go through one by one. So suppose I will add undo and redo. So here you can see two options are getting added. So in older versions it will get added in this quick access toolbar. So here you can see only a handful of options are available. But suppose if you want to add something else that you use very frequently, suppose I use spell checker most of the times whenever I have a lot of data and I have to see like if there are any spelling mistakes or something. To check all the spellings in the data, what I will have to do is I will have to go to review, then I will have to click on spelling. It will ask if I want to start from beginning, yes. Then it will give me spelling suggestions. So instead of following these many steps, what I can do is I can add this spelling in quick access toolbar. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on it, add to quick access toolbar. So this is added here. So next time I don't have to go to review and then go to spelling. So it will be directly spelling. So this you can do with anything. Suppose if you use AutoSum more frequently, then you can do this for AutoSum also. Likewise, whatever commands you are using frequently, you can add them in the quick access toolbar. And as the name suggests, quick access toolbar, it is quick, easy and accessible. So try this out. You can copy these commands or you can try different commands which you use daily.